They are some of the most heartbreaking and heartwarming photos of our planet ever captured. And despite focusing on the natural world and the animal kingdom, many can certainly be described as very human, too. Below are the images chosen as winners in this year's Glanzlichter competition of nature photography. Held for the past 24 years, the contest rewards just 10 of the best images submitted by thousands of photographers from dozens of countries. This year, organizers received a whopping 17,000 to choose from. A fluffy Arctic fox, a bloodthirsty lion cub who has just finished a meal, and a barn swallow floating through a window frame are among the cast of characters in this year's winning pictures. The images will feature in a new book released on May 2nd and tour Germany and Italy for the next 3 years.